Welcome, here I've got HTC Desire 20 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options now. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner, and it shows us the other modes of this camera. Here we have also access to this button at the center. When we tap on this we can open the advanced camera settings, and as you can see at the first place here we have the grid option, so by using this button we can easily turn on and turn off the camera grid lines like that. So this is how it works. For now let me keep this turned on and let's go back to the camera. As you can see, it shows us these lines. This is useful when we want to use the rule of third in photography and making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the right corner at the bottom and tap on this, we get quick access to the gallery, so we can't see these lines at the real picture. They are only to help us taking better photos. And of course, when we don't need it, we can easily go back to these settings in the right corner, tap on this button again at the center, tap on this option, so for now this is turned off, and for now they are gone. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.